friends, my name is Ritu Tandon and I welcome you all on behalf of Shivoham Unlocking Potentials. We have started our self-empowerment or self-improvement series, and today we talk about our second major area in life which really needs our attention and focus, and that is wealth. If you are wealthy, indeed you have all the power in the world. Wealth actually makes the world go round. We all know this and we all believe in it. To have a better life, to have more experiences in life, to have better education in life, to have better quality of life, to learn something, to travel, to eat, to indulge, to buy luxuries, we all require wealth. Now, what is wealth? Is wealth only the physical money that you have or the money that you have in your account? Or is wealth the jewelry, the house, the car, whatever, physical possessions of goods that you have in your life? Or is wealth a mindset where you feel abundant, where you feel resourceful? So whatever you think, wealth indeed is a power tool. It helps you to experience and live life in a better way. We all believe that we want and improve our life. So do you think that wealth can be a tool which can help you improve your life? If yes, then let me share with you simple tips and tricks so that your area of focus should also include these tips and tricks to increase the wealth quotient in your life. Now, to improvise and improve your wealth, the first question that you need to ask yourself, that what do you feel about wealth? Are you the one who pray to Lourdes Lakshmi on the day of Diwali to make you prosperous? Or are you the one who every day respect and pray to the money that you have, that thank you that I have this money and I have the power to buy and spend it the day I want? If you are the one who is respectful towards money, who feels money is an important resource, for them money will always be multiplying. Money will always become that resource which will help them expand their lives, which will help them expand their vision. So become that person who has a wealthy and an abundant mindset. You may not have that abundant mindset right from the beginning, depending on the kind of background that you are born in, or depending on the environment that you are presently living, or depending on the people who surround you and affect you the way you think. But don't worry. You can always acquire the mindset which helps you to respect wealth, which helps you or motivates you to multiply wealth, which tells you the ways that how you can improve on your wealth balance. So I recommend you that you must read few books, the books that will help you to broaden your horizon, that will help you the way or the kind of relationship you have with money and wealth, that will also give you information on so many ways that how you can multiply and increase your wealth. So the books that I recommend you to read are world famous books. People have read those books, have read them not even once, but as a routine every day in their lives. They have read their books and have made a tremendous amount of difference in the way they earn and in the way they live. The famous books that I can recommend, or you may search the net and find out whichever book excites you by reading the summary. Few of the books which I may recommend is Poor Dad Rich Dad, or Think and Grow Rich, or The Science of Getting Rich, these, or The Millionaire's Mind. So these are the books that will change your viewpoint about how you have to see wealth. You start seeing wealth as not just money but as a resource which is already available abundantly in the universe. Only thing is that you just need to acquire it. It is waiting for you to come and acquire it. So this is the kind of mindset that I want each one of you to have, that wealth is already there, the systems are already there, the schemes are already there. Only thing is that you are not being aware of the way how you can use them and bring wealth into your life. So with this, I start with basic 3 things that I want each one of you to focus on, and also to buy or invest in these things. And these three basic things are that each one of you must have a term insurance plan. That is, you need to value your life. Whether you are a single earning member or whether you are not, there are multiple members in your family who are bread earners, but still your life has a value. If you are gone, nobody can compensate for your absence, but money can at least take care of financial needs for your family. If you are young, buying a term plan would be very cheap, maybe just few thousands in a year, maybe even less than 10,000 in a year. Why not invest that money and live peacefully and happily, ever getting stressed that what will happen if something happens to me? It is a very small cost for your peace of mind and a big token of relief for your family. So invest in a term plan from a very young age. My second advice to you is always invest in a Mediclaim. If you are not insured from your organization, from your office, or from any government or wherever you are working, or so you must buy or purchase or invest in a family floater or medical insurance. With the cost of medical expenses rising so much, it is very necessary that we keep our medical expenses covered. So in case of any calamity or any unforeseen circumstances, we are not troubled. Our whole financial saving system does not go for a toss. We are people who are earning every penny with hard work. So it is very important that your savings do not just get washed away in medical expenses. And number 3 that I suggest is that every month, start with small or big, whatever amount your pocket permits, invest in a systematic investment plan. I come from a financial background and I have been investing. I started earning very early, so I started investing from a very young age. Although at those time that small money was very little and it did not compound largely to a very big amount of money, but yes, those small contributions over a time have grown up and multiplied, and have always taught me that it is very important to continuously, regularly stay invested and keep investing some amount of your earnings in any possible plan. You could choose multiple schemes, you have all the knowledge at the click of a button, but you don't have this habit of investing. You keep postponing this to the next and to the next month without realizing that time here is limited and you need to multiply your money as soon as you start earning. So please, my dear friends, with these 3 tips, I request you to start thinking on these lines. Go and read more about them. Think at how you may gain by putting your money into these 3 things, and how your quality of life will improve. And with this, I come to this end. Stay tuned and stay connected. Next Tuesday, I will bring you more tips and tricks to improve your wealth. Thank you.